coins are shown below. If Sarah has one coin with circumference 56.026 millimeters, two coins with a circumference 76.302 millimeters, and one coin with a circumference 59.974 millimeters, what coins does she have? How much money is it? So first, we're just going to find, here it gives us circumferences, and this is the formula for circumference. The circumference is equal to the diameter times pi. It says the diameter of some US coins are shown below, so this is going to be the diameter of each coin. These are the diameters. So all I have to quickly do is find the circumference of each circle. And to find, for example, the quarter, to find it for the quarter, all I have to put is the diameter 24.3, and times it by pi, and they tell us to use 3.14 for pi, 3.14, and that number, when plugged into a calculator, is 76.030, sorry, 76.302. Now for the 10 cents with the dime, let's call it a dime, which is this one, we have diameter to be 17.9 times that by our pi, which in this case is going to be 3.14, so 3.14, and that answer comes up to 56.206. Next, we're going to use our nickel. So nickel, which is going to be this one. So our nickel, we find the diameter, and we're going to say 21.2 times 3.14. Multiply that out, and it gives us 66.568. And finally, the penny. We're going to find out the penny has a diameter of 19.1. Multiply that by 3.14 from our formula, which gives us 59.974. Now we have all the circumferences of the quarters. It says she has one coin with circumference 56.206, which means that is a dime. So she has a dime. So our answer would be she has one dime. It says she has a circumference of 76, which is quarters. She has two quarters. And then finally, it says here that they have one coin with 59.974, which is going to be the penny. And there's one penny. And it says, what coins does she have? So she has these coins. How much money is it? Well, it is two quarters, which is 50 cents, one dime, which is 60 cents now, and one penny. So it's going to be exactly 61 cents. And that's our answer.